This presentation elucidates the significance of a well-structured marketing plan for small businesses, offering a comprehensive understanding of its components, benefits, and real-world applications. Through a scientific lens, we explore the essential elements of a marketing plan and the advantages it bestows upon small enterprises. The key components of a thorough marketing plan study, and 2 illustrative case studies showcasing successful outcomes. The presentation culminates in a persuasive conclusion, highlighting the strategic prowess of professional marketing plan composition. Defining the marketing plan. A marketing plan is a strategic roadmap meticulously crafted to guide an organization's marketing efforts toward achieving predetermined objectives. It acts as a comprehensive framework that outlines the company's marketing goals, target audience, competitive landscape, and strategies to be employed. A well-constructed marketing plan is a foundation for informed decision-making, resource allocation, and the seamless execution of marketing initiatives. The utility for small businesses. A marketing plan serves as a beacon of direction and efficacy for small businesses. It helps them establish a clear identity in the market, foster customer engagement, and drive revenue growth. By delineating the company's unique value proposition, assessing market trends, and identifying competitive advantages, a marketing plan empowers small businesses to optimize their limited resources for maximum impact. Moreover, it enables them to adapt swiftly to changing market dynamics and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Illustrative case studies. Case Study 1. A local bakery, Fresh Bakery, utilized a meticulously devised marketing plan to boost its visibility and sales. By analyzing local market trends and consumer preferences, the bakery introduced a line of gluten-free and vegan pastries, tapping into a previously underserved niche. Through targeted social media campaigns and collaborating with local influencers, they effectively communicated their unique offerings, resulting in a 30% increase in sales within 6 months. Case Study 2. Tech Gear Startup, a technology accessories startup, recognized the potential of a well-structured marketing plan to penetrate a competitive market. After conducting a comprehensive SWOT analysis, they identified their design innovation and competitive pricing as key strengths. The marketing plan outlined a multi-channel approach, including e-commerce platforms, influencer partnerships, and attending tech expos. As a result, their revenue doubled in the first year, and their products gained recognition for quality and affordability. Components of a comprehensive marketing plan study. A thorough marketing plan study encompasses several vital components, each contributing to a holistic understanding of the market landscape and strategic approach. These components include market analysis, an in-depth assessment of industry trends, target market demographics, and competitive forces. SWOT analysis, an evaluation of the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Marketing objectives, clearly defined goals aligning with the organization's mission and vision. Segmentation and targeting, identifying specific customer segments and crafting tailored marketing strategies for each. Positioning strategy, defining how the business wants to be perceived in the minds of consumers. Marketing mix, developing strategies related to product, price, place, and promotion. Budget allocation, allocating resources effectively to different marketing initiatives. Implementation and control. Outlining the execution plan and mechanisms to monitor and adjust strategies as needed. A compelling conclusion. The importance of a meticulously crafted marketing plan cannot be overstated for small businesses seeking growth and sustainability. The compass guides strategic decisions, optimizes resource allocation, and aligns efforts with desired outcomes. To ensure the efficacy of such a pivotal document, entrusting its composition to a professional agency with both advertising finesse and strategic understanding is paramount. It blends persuasive storytelling with data-driven insights and positions a company to deliver a marketing plan that engages and convinces stakeholders of its potential to drive business success. Choosing wisely for the right partner in crafting a marketing plan can be the catalyst that propels a small business towards remarkable achievements in the ever-evolving marketplace.
Please read more in our news blog at the link below.